Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from Uphold to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your Solana assets seamlessly between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always stay updated with platform changes, as crypto rules can evolve quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both Uphold and Robinhood, and that you have some Solana in your Uphold wallet. Why do this? It's a smart way to diversify your holdings or prepare for trading on Robinhood's user-friendly interface. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head to the dashboard and locate your Solana wallet. This is where all your crypto assets are listed. Step 2. Select the Send or Withdraw option for Solana. You'll see a form pop up asking for the amount and destination address. Step 3. Decide on the amount of Solana to transfer. Remember to leave some for any network fees. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Step 4. Now, switch to Robinhood. Log in, go to your crypto section, and find your Solana wallet. Copy the deposit address carefully, double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 5. Paste that Robinhood address back into the Uphold send form. Add any required memos or tags if prompted, as some wallets need them for proper crediting. Step 6. Review everything, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that handy for tracking. Once sent, monitor your Robinhood account. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the Solana to show up, depending on network traffic. If it doesn't arrive, check both apps' transaction histories or contact support. A quick tip. Always use this on a secure network and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. There you have it. That's how to send Solana from Uphold to Robinhood in 2025. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.